Is Lam Research stock a buy before the earnings on Jan 29th, 2025? That's what I'm going to cover in this video. Before we go into the video, I want to clarify that this is not financial advice. I'm not qualified to give financial advice. I'm simply recording my thoughts about Lam Research. Let's look at what they have guided for Q4 of 2025. As you can see on the screen, they have given guidance for revenue between $4.27 billion to $4.33 billion, and non-GAAP earnings per share are between $0.77 to $0.97. And let's look at their past track record of earnings. As you can see on the screen, for the past 3 quarters, they beat the revenue target and EPS target comfortably. The EPS target they beat by a bigger margin. So this tells me that the likelihood of them beating both the revenue target as well as the earnings per share estimate on Jan 29 is very, very high. So let's say if they beat the revenue and EPS targets on Jan 29th and give good guidance, let's look at whether the current price of $79 is a buy or not. I've done a video about Lam Research 3 months ago when it was trading at $76, and I'm showing the same valuation, but I updated the price as $79 because that's what it is currently trading at. As you can see on the screen, in the reasonable assumptions case, I'm estimating 76% gain, and in the great execution case, it's 146% gain. So when I do an investment decision for myself, I look at the reasonable assumptions case, and 76% in 4 years will comfortably beat the index. So regardless of how these earnings turn out, I think it's a good time to buy this stock, in my opinion, because for long term this company is well positioned. And if in case they give guidance lower than what people are expecting, then we have to judge whether the 12.5% growth rate is possible. If not, I have to update this valuation, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think they are going to grow more than 12.5%, and this valuation should still be valid. So in conclusion, I think Lam Research is still a buy at $79 for long term. In the short term, it can either go up or down, but when we do investing, we should look at the long term target with our valuation and take a decision based on the price target for long term. Like in this case, 2028, I'm estimating $140. So if bought at $79 today, that gives me 76% gain in 4 years, which is very attractive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.